In the heart of Sultan Kudarat, discover a gem. Calamansig, a first-class municipality where culture and history intertwine. By virtue of Executive Order No. 459, signed by Carlos P. Garcia, Calamansig was formally established on December 29, 1961. Calamansig is abundant in culture and natural resources. The primary livelihood of its people revolves around farming and fishing. In Calamansig, you will find a treasure beyond measure. It is composed of the tribe people, Christians, Muslims, and the indigenous people called as Calamansigeños. Each of them adds color and significance to the town's story. The growth of Calamansig is a result of unity and appreciation for each culture that makes up our community and to propel Calamansig into greater heights. This is Calamansig. Pursuant to Republic Act No. 11315, otherwise known as Community-Based Monitoring System Act, provides that the state recognizes the need to adopt focused and specific measures that will ensure poverty reduction, wherein citizens have access to social protection and welfare programs that address their minimum basic needs. Towards this end, Calamansig adopts a community-based monitoring system that generates updated and disaggregated data necessary in targeting beneficiaries, conducting more comprehensive poverty analysis and needs prioritization, designing appropriate policies and interventions, and monitoring impact over time. In the noble pursuit of public service, former Mayor Rolando P. Garcia demonstrated unwavering support by championing the initiation of Community-Based Monitoring System or CBMS within the municipality through a letter of intent to the PSA. Under his leadership, a budget was not only committed but strategically allocated for the seamless implementation of CBMS in the fiscal year 2022. Embodying the essence of political will and a steadfast commitment to progress, the current administration, led by the esteemed Mayor Ronan Eugene Corina Garcia, Vice Mayor Leslie Picaberte, and the 19th Sangguniang Bayan members, have taken up the mantle. The vision remains steadfast, propelling the relentless drive for the continued and effective implementation of CBMS within the local landscape. This commitment materialized into a formal accord, a memorandum of agreement meticulously crafted and inked between the local government unit of Calamansig, Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, Department of Information and Communications Technology or DICT, and the Department of Interior and Local Government. This alliance solidifies their shared commitment to ensure the precise and effective execution of CBMS. Tara na! Sama-sama nating tuklasin ang kahangahangang kwento ng Calamansig. Isang kwento ng dedikasyon sa pag-unlad, pagkakaisa at ang kapangyarihan ng datos. Hindi lang tayo naglilikom ng impormasyon. Binubuo natin ang landas patungo sa isang mas matibay at mas matatag na komunidad.
Cellphone, pati ang laptop at kumonek sa internet para updated sa mga details ng services ng government. Ang bawat Pinoy sa Pilipinas ay mararating. Mga bata at senior citizens, single parents at buntis, mga persons with disabilities, information you need kay bilis. Community-based monitoring system, community-based monitoring system. Lahat ng bayan at lalawigan sa isla o kabundukan, mga proyekto pati programa agad maipatutupad. Ang bawat Pinoy sa Pilipinas ay mararating. Mga bata at
Sa pagtatapos ng ating paglalakbay sa Kalamansig, naway na ihatid namin ang kahangahangang kwento ng pag-unlad, pagkakaisa at ang kapangyarihan ng datos. Hindi lang natin binubuo ang impormasyon, binubuo natin ang landas patungo sa isang mas matibay at mas matatag na komunidad. Tara na't magtulungan. Ang kwento ng Kalamansig ay nakaugat sa makabuluhang datos. Ang bawat numero, bawat impormasyon ay nagiging gabay natin sa pag-unlad. Ang datos ang nagbibigay liwanag sa ating mga desisyon. Nagtuturo kung saan tayo dapat maglaan ng ating mga pondo at nagpapakita kung ano ang tunay na pangangailangan ng komunidad. At hindi lang ito kwento ng mga lider o opisyal, kundi ng bawat isa sa atin. Bawat Kalamansigenyo na nagbibigay halaga sa pagtutulungan. Sa paglahok ng bawat miyembro ng komunidad, mga opisina at stakeholders, binubuo natin ang isang kolektibong pagkakakilanlan na naglalabas ng tunay na kwento ng tagumpay. Kaya't ngayon, hinihikayat ko kayo maging bahagi ng kwento ng Kalamansig. Ang bawat hakbang ninyo, bawat datos na inyong ibinahagi ay nagiging susi sa mas makatarungan at mas progresibong hinaharap. Ang kwento ng Kalamansig ay kwento ng pag-asa at ang datos ang nagiging daan patungo sa mas maunlad na hinaharap.